Michaela.
Oh, pick it up. It don't bite. You're a big baby.
What? Where's your fish at? There's your fish. Go get your fish for Mom.
You got it!
Okay, bring it here. Let Mama see you fish. Say please. Okay, where's your fish at? Oh, you don't know? Here, Mama, throw your fish out. There you go. Okay, reel your fish in, like Mama showed you.
Other way. I'm kind of scared to stay here.
You taught her the wrong way.
You did.
Get you fish, baby.
Ow, you hit me!
Yeah, you seriously taught her the wrong way.
Meanie?
Honey, that's not how you get you fish.
Roll it up.
Oh, there it is. Get it. It moved on you. Did it bite you? Was that fish gonna get you? Go reel your fish in. There's your fish.
It's so cute. It chases her when she lifts up and then she runs.
It's gonna get you.
Mom, look what.
Here comes the fishy. Look. It's just a little plastic butterfly.
It don't look like a raw fish, Michaela.
Michaela, where's your fish? Go get your fish.